Hey guys, Tiffany with another video, and as you guys saw in the title, which I can't even say that because I don't really know what the title is gonna say, because I don't want to call this a favorites video because I have not done a favorites video in so long. I have not recorded a video in like 9-10 months, so I don't necessarily want to call this a favorites video, but it's just things that I've been loving. So maybe the title will reflect that. I don't know, we shall see. These are items that have kind of been staples for me for the past 9-10 months. I really have been enjoying going through my makeup collection and actually using up what I purchased instead of just continuing to buy and then only using something like 1 or 2 times. I have gotten through foundations, I have gotten through concealers, I have gotten through lipsticks, lip glosses. Girl, I have really been on it. I'm really proud of myself, and I feel like everything that I'm going to show you guys right now is just things that I have been loving and I have been rocking with, and it has stood the test of the Georgia heat, the post office heat, all that good stuff. I do have I think 2 items that I just did not care for, and they definitely made it into the nah list. So no more talking, let's get started. So first up, I want to talk about some eyeshadow palettes that I have been loving. The first one is from Patrick Ta. This is the Major Dimension eyeshadow palette. Here is what the packaging looks like. Definitely not trying to blind you guys. Oh my gosh, I just looked at the reflection in the video and I realized like it has so many fingerprints on it. But I do really love the packaging. It's like that mirrored rose gold, and that is my jam. Let me try and cover this mirror and then show you guys how the eyeshadows look on the inside. You do get like these 2 cream products over here. I have never used these cream products, so I cannot tell you how they work, but you do get a row of mattes and then a row of shimmers. Now, I can use these 3 shades right here, this one, and this one, on an everyday basis and get like a great natural eye look, because you guys know I'm a natural eye girl. I don't really do lots of color, so I kind of tend to buy palettes that all look the same. I'm not even gonna lie, but I usually wear like those 3 on a regular basis. But I do think that this shade right here could be a really good blending shade as well, and I don't really touch that one as much. And then you have the shimmer or metallic shades down here, like the full shades. Now, the one thing I will say about this palette, when I want to just wear this palette by itself, I always feel like I have to have another lid shade and then layer the more metallic or full shades on top of that, because I feel like by itself it doesn't really give what I need it to, but when I layer it with something else, it is really pretty. So that is one of those things I will throw out about this palette, just for me specifically. But another palette that I love, and when I tell y'all, when I say love, it is emphasis on the love. This is the Makeup Obsession warm-up palette. That's what it looks like. This was a palette that I got from TJ Maxx for $4.99. I wish y'all could see. Y'all probably can't. The sticker is still on there. TJ Maxx, $4.99. And I love, like, use this on such a consistent basis. It is the palette that I'm wearing on my eyes today. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at these shades. There are 4 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades. This shade, these 2 shades, every day for me. And then when I want to blend a little something out, I will use that one. And this shade right here is a great like blend out lid shade. I just absolutely love this palette. Anytime I go anywhere, which is not often, but when I do, I always make sure to throw this palette inside of my makeup bag because these colors are just great. I do know you can find like Makeup Obsession in Target and of course TJ Maxx, but if you ever run across this little $5 palette and you're like, should I get it? Yes girl, you should. I don't know why I didn't start with skincare, because normally I start with skincare, but I am just so rusty. It is just, we're gonna get there. But I do have 2 skincare products that I was really loving. The first is from Origins. This is the Clear Improvement Pore Clearing Moisturizer. It has the bamboo charcoal, and as you can see on the inside, it's like that black charcoal type color. I really like this moisturizer. I am a combo oily girl, although for some reason I'm starting to feel like my skin is getting more towards the like combo oily with spots of dry in there. I felt like this did really good at clearing up my pores, but the one thing that was pretty much a con and why I had to stop using it is because it dried my face out. Now, if you are super oily, this would be a great moisturizer, I think, for you, because I feel like it battles oils really well, but it was almost too well because it just dried my face out so bad that I had to stop using it. But I got probably about halfway through it. I don't know if you guys can tell. So I used a really good amount of it, but it just got so bad to where I couldn't. Now, it is really hot here in Savannah, Georgia, like in the 100 degrees hot during the summertime. So I did find that when I use this like around my nose and places where I knew I was going to get super oily and I was going to sweat a lot more, it did a great job. But I just can't use it all over my face anymore because of that fact. But this next moisturizer I absolutely love. I'm actually almost out of it and I need to get, I don't even know why I didn't just get this. I just purchased some makeup from Sephora because I had a 20% off mail-in code that they sent me for some reason, and I don't know why I didn't think to pick this up. But this is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. Y'all, I just feel like with my skin I do better with gel moisturizers, and I am literally like scraping the sides of this. This stuff was really good. It was more lightweight, and I do like that because I feel like with my skin I don't like for things to weigh my skin down. So I felt like this was a really great moisturizer for that fact, and it did a really great job at keeping my skin hydrated. So this is one of those products I definitely for sure am going to pick up again. I have two foundations that have like been my ride or die foundations. The first is no stranger here on my channel, even though I haven't been filming in a long time. You guys have heard me talk about it, and I definitely have showed this foundation to you guys. It's the NARS Soft Matte. I have mine in the shade Caracas. It is a foundation that I'm wearing mixed with another NARS foundation today, which that information will be down below in the description box. Y'all, if I never pick up any other foundation for the rest of my life, this is going to be the one that is always a staple for me. I actually went through a whole bottle, and then I'm kind of like halfway through this bottle as well. So I know once I get through some more foundations, I'm definitely going to get another one of these because I just absolutely love it. Like, it is just everything about it, the coverage, the finish. It's just, it's that girl. She's that girl. Yes. This other foundation is a newer foundation for me. I want to say probably like the last 2 months I've been rocking it, but I've been wearing it every day for work. I will say that to me this is a great daily foundation. I don't feel like well, no, I'm not gonna say I don't feel like it's like that flawless, like yes God, like beat foundation, because I haven't worn it in that sense. But as far as just wearing it to work for a really great overall finish that's not too much and last, this Cover FX Power Play foundation, I have mine in the shade G80. This foundation is so good, and I'm so late because this foundation came out like long time ago. I found this at TJ Maxx and I tried it out. I was so impressed. I like ran back the next week and purchased 3 more because I'm like, I want to have this in my collection, and they don't have Cover FX at Sephora or Ulta anymore for some reason, but you can purchase Cover FX on the actual Cover FX website just in case they don't have any in your TJ Maxx. But oh my gosh, it gives such a great finish without doing too much. Just like a great everyday foundation, and I think she's here to stay. I only have one concealer to show you guys because it is the one concealer that I have been rocking with, and I'm so mad because I'm almost out of this, and I'm gonna have to just bite the bullet and purchase this on the Cover FX website. This is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I have mine in the shade In Deep 1. It is such a great everyday shade. Like, I can wear this all day, every day, and it, like, once you set it, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I picked up 3 of these from Ulta, and I think it was right before Ulta discontinued selling it. And I'm just so hurt that I didn't pick up more because it's just a great concealer. I have been rocking with this. I've been wearing this or the Too Faced concealer in Warm Sand. I've tried out a lot of other concealers that I've had here in my collection. None of them stood up to this one. So yeah, absolutely love it. A mascara that I've been loving, I'm one of those people, I'm not super picky about mascaras just because I don't have a lot of lashes. I'm a part of the itty bitty lash committee, so anything helps. Basically anything helps. But I've really been loving this It Superhero concealer. This is not concealer, the It Superhero mascara. I actually got this as like a free birthday gift last year, and I didn't try it out until later on in the year, and it is amazing. So amazing that I went and picked up another one, because you know, mascara is one of those things you really don't want to use for a continued amount of time because you don't want to play around with stuff by your eye. So I went ahead and picked up another one, and it's just really great. Like, even though I don't have a lot of lashes, I feel like it does a really great job at coating my lashes and giving me a nice natural lash type look. So I definitely would continue to purchase this. Oh, let us talk about this NYX brow glue. The brow glue, because that is the name of it. Oh girl, this is like my second one. I'm almost out of this one, and I was just in Ulta. Why did I not get another one? Oh my gosh. This stuff, let me tell you, when you put it on your brow, and it's almost like glue. It does kind of come out like glue. The wand is really small, which I love because I feel like it gets to all parts of your brow. But when you put this stuff on your brows don't move. Your brows, they don't move. Your brows, they don't move. Like, for real, for real. Brows don't budge, brows don't move. We had like a whole week of where our air conditioner was out at work because the post office was tripping like they ain't have money to fix it. If nothing else did not shift, the brow stayed on. I love this. I am going to continue to purchase this. Like, this is going to forever be in my collection as long as they make it. It is that good. So I've really been into cream bronzers where I never was a cream bronzer girl. Like, give me a good bronzer powder to put on and go and let me, you know, go about my day. The Danessa Myricks bronzer in the shade, oh girl, I got my glasses on and the contacts are not doing it for me. Medium 3, right? Yeah, if that's not it, I will leave the correct shade, but it's very small. That writing is very small, but I want to say it does say medium 3. This is what the packaging looks like. Comes with the mirror, and that is the bronzer. I just love it. I feel as though, even though it's a darker shade, with a light hand and you blend it out, it is just superb. Because, do y'all see? I've been absolutely loving this. I do feel as though you have to find the right brush. I tried out quite a few brushes and I almost just like gave up on this because it just wasn't given. But when I found the right brush, yeah, this is a good one. Really, really good one. And then sticking with bronzers, I have this Cover F. This is a lot of Cover FX. They are not sponsoring me. They should be, but they're not. This has just been like a staple in my collection. This is the Monochromatic Bronzer Duo. I picked this up quite a while ago from Sephora, but I do know that they have these at TJ Maxx. I do know that for sure. It just comes with a bronzer on one side and a highlighter on the other. I love both of these, but I really love that bronzer. It is such a natural bronze shade. When I top the Danessa Myricks with this, it just gives the perfect bronzed, like sun-kissed type look. But again, the highlight part is really good as well. But I just really love this powder. It's matter of fact, next time I go on TJ Maxx, I gotta pick up another one. This one is in Suntan Bronze because I think they had 2 different shades, but this one is Suntan Bronze and I absolutely love it. Last in the loves are 2 lip products from Sephora that I have been rocking with. Like, I don't know, like anytime I have to put on like a lipstick, this has been what I grab. Otherwise, I'm just wearing a lip gloss and going about my business. This is a Sephora brand. This is their Rouge Melting Lip Clicks. I don't know the shade of this one. Oh my gosh. Oh, Cream Brulee. So this is 02 Cream Brulee. It's what I'm wearing on the outer portion of my lips. And this is, hold on. Oh girl, oh I'm getting old. 05 peach sorbet. So this is cream brulee and peach sorbet. They have like and they're clickers. You click them up. I don't know, they have like a glossy feel. Can you guys even see? Probably can't. It has like a really glossy type of texture, but I put this one as my outer lip, and then I put this one on the inner, and it just gives like this really natural type pouty look, and I love them. Just pop on a liner. The liner I've been loving, oh, I actually have it, is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0. I've been loving this. This is like the perfect brown. It is what I'm wearing on my lips. I just pop that on, pop these two on and go, and I just absolutely love the combination of them. But that is everything that I have loved. Now let's talk about what I just did not like, and I tried to make work for me and it just didn't. And these are it's not the brand, because I have products from both of these brands that I absolutely love. But if these products are something that you love, don't come for me. I know it's been 9-10 months, but do not do it. Do not come for me. The first is from Fenty Beauty. I'm sorry, but y'all know if it didn't work, I have to tell it like it is. This is the Bright Fix eye brightener, and I have mine in the shade Honey 10. Ooh, I don't know, I just did not like this. Now again, I'm one of those people, I suffer from like bags and under eye darkness and all these genetic things, so I'm always wearing concealer. I know this is an eye brightener. I didn't like it on its own because I felt like it really didn't give any coverage, but I also get that, you know, it's kind of advertised as an eye brightener, so I tried to use it with concealers, and I felt like any concealer I mixed it with, it just didn't last. It ended up like looking cakey within a few hours. No matter how much I set it, at any time I mixed this with a concealer, it just didn't work for me. So I felt like, well, I can't mix it, I can't wear it on its own, like, I don't know. And I hated the packaging. This little thing right here was just so messy. Anytime I use it, I felt like it was just so much like on the outside, which means I'm wasting product. And y'all know I love me some Rihanna, and I love Fenty Beauty. The products that I love from Fenty, I absolutely love. This just wasn't it. It just wasn't. And then the final thing is from Benefit. It's their Real Magnet Mascara. I was so excited for this. I was so intrigued. Like, the ads really had me thinking this was going to be a really great mascara. It sucked. It sucked. It sucked. And I hate to say it. I had really high hopes because I love the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. This thing, I hated it. It did nothing. And I don't have a lot of lashes, so I'm not one of those people that's like super picky when it comes to mascara. It did nothing, like nothing. Even when I tried to put on another mascara and like top it on top of that, I just felt like it did nothing at all. So this was nothing but hype for me. The packaging is cute. Look at the little magnet. The packaging on there is cute, but it was just a no. Alright guys, so that is some of the things that I loved, and some of the things I didn't like was just a straight up nod for me over the past 9-10 months. Let me know what you guys think of the products I showed. If you have any of these, you like it, you dislike it, all that stuff, you know I want to know down below in the comment section, and anything else that you guys want to tell me. Thank you guys so much as always for rocking with me. I love and appreciate you, and I thank you guys for sticking it out with me. Whoever's still here, I thank you. Okay, so until next time, bye YouTube.